How to skin a pheasant the easy way. Feet on the wings, make sure it's nice and tight so you don't put wings off. Break its legs and pull. Break its legs and pull. Break its legs and pull. Feet on wings, close to body. Break legs and pull. Here presto, one chicken breast. Wings under legs, break its legs, pull, one pheasant breast.